G'day, it's Craig here from Australian Direct, and I just wanted to show you a quick little fix. So I've got a watt meter here that I use day in and day out in the workshop, and it gets plugged in and plugged out so many times. And occasionally, believe you me, sometimes an Anderson plug will just wear out a little bit. And you can see here, if we have a quick look, where the pins, see that pin's just dropped out? And no matter what I do, because it's just, as I said, it's just been used and used and used, and it's just worn. Same as this side's a little bit. You can see the pins. You know, the Anderson plug's just actually, you know, done its job for me. It's been about 3 or 4 years of daily use inside the workshop. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to replace the Anderson and how we can get it back together. Just simply is using the Anderson plugs. So if you've got any old gear, you don't need to really chuck it out. You can just update the plug yourself, and you don't necessarily have to replace the pins. So I'll just quickly show you the end result, how that works. So we'll just we'll quickly clip the pins out of this Anderson plug. Just going to pull these out, pull the pins out there. When we sell this, we give you a couple of spare pins. You could replace the pins yourself, but it's basically not the pins that are really the problem on this. It's just the Anderson plugs itself. Always make sure the red goes in the right hand side and the negative goes in the left hand side. Screwdriver. Hear a nice click like that, and look at that. I've got a nice solid Anderson plug. The terminals aren't moving anymore just by replacing the Anderson plug itself. So it gives you a bit of an idea from time to time. Every camping season, I always say to people, you know, just double check your Anderson plug. You know, make sure she's not loose like this one here at the other end. Replacing the Anderson plug from time to time with ones that we sell here. So get on the website, check out our Anderson plugs. Cheers.